One day, your life will flash before your eyes. The real question is, will it be worth watching? Narrator, you get one life, one chance, one story. Every day, you're writing it with your choices, your silence, your courage, and your fears. The question is, what kind of story will it be? Will it be one of comfort zones and almosts, of regret wrapped in routine? Or will it be a bold narrative where you stood up, stood out, and did something that mattered? The world is filled with stories no one wants to read, safe, predictable, forgotten. But you have the power to write something different, a story that echoes, a story that shakes mountains, a story that makes heaven stand and hell tremble. You don't need a perfect beginning. You don't even need a perfect plan. You just need to stop living like the page is blank tomorrow. Because one day, there won't be a next chapter. Your scars, use them as ink. Your past, let it be your plot twist. Your pain, turn it into power. Your faith, let it be the fire that sets your pages ablaze. Write the kind of story where they say, I never knew someone could come back from that. I never knew someone with so little could do so much. Write the kind of story your future self will be proud of. The kind your children will whisper about with pride. The kind that doesn't need applause because it's lived with purpose. The world doesn't remember the ones who stayed silent. It remembers the ones who wrote their truth, lived with fire, and left the pages burning. So today, don't wait for permission. Don't wait for inspiration. Start writing. And write a story worth reading. Uplifting and direct. If this message lit a fire in you, don't let it go dim. Like this video if you're ready to turn your life into a masterpiece. Share it with someone who needs to take the pen back. Subscribe for more purpose-driven content. Comment, I will write a story worth reading to seal your declaration. Your next chapter starts now.